So this is the Lemon Drizzle palette, and it's from Makeup Revolution. And I think everybody knows that I absolutely love Makeup Revolution. And these are the colours. Look how beautiful these colours are. They're so pretty. And I thought with this palette I should kind of create something around the lemon kind of side. So I've only used a few colours, but I'm going to show you exactly how I got this look. So the first colour that I'm going to take is Sugar, and I'm going to pop that all over my lid just to make sure that we have a nice base, and bring it all the way up to my brows as well, like all across my eye. So once we have that base, big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with the colour Tempting, and we are going to use this to make a crease colour, like transition colour. You just want to really blend this in until it's blended properly. Doesn't really matter how messy it is because we're going to clear it up. We're going to clean it up afterwards. So you just want to make sure that that is blended really nicely. Then I'm going to take the colour Lemon Slice, and we are going to go just below the crease and just start working that just below the crease and blending it in nicely. Do you know, these colours blend so nicely together. It's absolute perfection. Take some concealer, and we're gonna do a halo eye, so I'm just gonna basically pop it on the middle, and then just in like a little circle. Doesn't matter how messy it is because we are gonna tidy it all up afterwards. I'm hoping that doesn't get in my eye because that is close to my lash, that concealer. Now we have that, we're going to go in with the colour Sugar again, and I'm going to set that just so it doesn't move about and it's nice and like a nice base to work with pretty much. We're going to do some outer corner now. So I'm going to go in with the colour Sunshine. It's pretty. I'm going to go in with the colour Sunshine, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corner, and I'm just kind of packing it on and then blending it. You know, with these palettes as well, there's not much fallout, which is really good because it allows you to do your makeup first. Like, it's not really falling out on my face, hardly, which is really good. So I'm just going to pop that on the outer corner, and then I'm going to pop it in the inner corner as well. Like that. Okay, so now we are going to make that kind of yellow pop. So I'm going to go in with the colour Fluffy and pick some of that up, and I'm going to pop that in the middle between them two shades that we just popped on. This colour is so pigmented. Beautiful. I've also decided to do makeup videos a little bit closer to you guys because when I'm sitting down with the angle that sometimes my tripod's at, it's quite hard to show you guys exactly how the makeup looks. So I've thought we're going to have a blank background, because I think that's really good when you're doing makeup videos, and I'm going to get a little bit closer so you can exactly see what I'm doing. Because I love following makeup tutorials like this. I find it so much easier to really follow someone if you can properly see on their eye and you can see exactly what they're doing. I'm just going to keep packing that on until it's really bright because we want this to pop. So pretty. Okay, so with the same colour we use, which is Sunshine, and I'm going to go back on the outer corner just so it's blended in nicely, and then the inner corner as well. We're going to take a little bit of Sugar, and I'm going to just pop that in the tear duct and just on my brow bone. Now with Fluffy again, because I think this is like my favourite colour. I'm obsessed with this. I'm gonna just run that underneath my lash line. Just enough, like not a lot, just enough. Perfect, so this is basically the finished look. I'm gonna go away and do some liner and some lashes, and And there we go, you guys, the lashes are on. This is the final look. I think it is really summery and just really simple look to do, but it just didn't take that long, as you've seen, and it just looks amazing. Cannot wait to try different shades. I can create so many different looks with this, and I just absolutely love it. I really hope you guys love it too. I added quite a big thick wing because the lashes that I'm using are very thick, like thick banded, so I added a very big wing. But overall I'm really happy with this, and I cannot wait to try other palettes, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.